Assume that when human resource managers are randomly selected, 62% say job applicants should follow up within 2 weeks. If 12 human resource managers are randomly selected, find the probability that at least 9 of them say job applicants should follow up within 2 weeks. Okay, so the first thing is we need to see what the probability of success is in this particular problem, and that is 62%. So we know that P as a decimal is going to equal 0.62. The number of trials is how many managers that have been randomly selected. So we can see that 12 of them have been randomly selected. So that tells us that N is going to equal 12. Okay. Now the next important piece of the information is find the probability that at least 9 of them say job applicants should follow up within 2 weeks. So we're looking for at least 9. Okay, so what does at least 9 mean? Well, the probability of at least 9 is the same thing as the probability of X being greater than or equal to 9. So that means the least number that it has is 9 or 9 or more. So this also equals the probability of 9 or more. Okay, so let's use StatCrunch to find our probability. So we're going to select Stat, highlight Calculators, and select Binomial. And then we're going to enter the number of trials where N is equal to 12. The probability of success is 0.62. And then we want to find the probability that at least 9 of them say job applicants should follow up within 2 weeks. So the probability of at least 9 is equal to the probability that X is greater than or equal to 9. And then we're going to select Compute. Okay, so let's go ahead and open up StatCrunch. So we're going to go to Stat. And then we're going to select Calculators. And then we're going to go to Binomial. So we know that N is going to equal 12. We know that our probability of success is 0.62. And we want to make sure that our inequality sign is the greater than or equal to. And it's greater than or equal to 9. And then we're going to select Compute. And now let's go ahead and check our probability. So we end up getting, to round it to 4 decimal places, 0.204. So there is our probability. Now we would say that the probability is 0.2704. Thus, if 12 human resource managers are randomly selected, the probability that at least 9 of them say job applicants should follow up within 2 weeks is 0.2704. Now again, Table A2 does not go to N, only goes to N is equal to 8. So if you're looking for N is equal to 12 for this textbook, either use the formula or StatCrunch to find the probability. In this case, we use StatCrunch.